Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through a complete tutorial on Square Appointments, showing you exactly how to create your own booking website, accept payments, schedule appointments, and manage everything seamlessly in one place. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or service provider looking for a way to simplify scheduling and payment collection, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Square Appointments is an online scheduling and booking tool developed by Square. It's designed to help businesses manage appointments, services, and payments all in one centralized platform. Whether you're a hair salon, massage therapist, fitness trainer, or any service-based business, Square Appointments allows your clients to book appointments online through a website or booking link. So to get started, head over to the Square Appointments website. Once you're there, you'll need to either sign in or create a new account. Signing up is straightforward. You can use your Google account for quick access, or you can manually enter your business information to set up your profile. If you already have a Squarespace website, you can even connect it during the setup process, allowing clients to book directly through your existing site. After signing in, you'll land on the Square Appointments dashboard, which is the control center for all your scheduling and business management tasks. The dashboard is very intuitive and easy to navigate. There are also prompts guiding you through initial setup, such as getting approved for payment processing, choosing a payment plan, and linking other business accounts. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several key sections: home, appointments, services and items, payments and invoices, customers, reports, and more. While there are many features to explore, our main focus will be on the appointments section, as this is where the scheduling magic happens. Click on Appointments, and you'll be taken to the Appointment Management page. The first thing you'll see on the Appointments page is an overview section. This gives you a snapshot of your setup progress, payment configuration, location settings, services, calendar, online booking options, and general settings. The first step here is to set your availability so clients know exactly when they can book time with you. To do this, navigate to the Calendar section. One great feature of Square Appointments is that it allows integration with your Google Calendar, so you can keep your personal and business schedules in sync. Once you're in the calendar, click the Create button to begin setting up appointments or events. But before creating individual appointments, you need to define your availability. Go back to the main calendar view and click on the clock icon to edit your availability. You'll see options for a one-time change or a recurring schedule. Select the days you're available, for example, Monday through Friday, and uncheck any days you're unavailable. Then set your working hours. While the default might be 9 to 5, you can easily adjust it to your preferred schedule, such as 10 in the morning until 10 at night. If you want to add multiple time slots in a single day, simply click the plus icon to create additional availability blocks. This is helpful if you take breaks during the day or offer early morning and late evening appointments. For businesses with consistent schedules, the recurring schedule option allows you to copy and reuse availability patterns. This makes managing repeated weekly schedules quick and easy. Once your availability is set, you're ready to start creating appointments. Click the Create button at the top of the calendar, and a new window will appear. First, select Appointment as the event type. Square also offers options for classes and personal events, but for standard client bookings, Appointment is the most suitable choice. Next, select the customer. If the customer is new, click Create New Customer and enter their details, including first name, last name, email, and phone number. This information will be saved in your client database for future appointments. After selecting or creating the customer, it's time to choose the service and any items you'll be providing. If the service hasn't been created yet, you can use a sample service provided by Square Appointments. However, I'll also show you how to create custom services so you can select them when scheduling appointments. Once you select the service, a new window opens where you can assign a team member if applicable. Then, set the price for the service and specify the duration. For example, you might set a service duration of 2 hours. After filling out these details, click Save to update the service. Next, select the date and time for the appointment. You also have the option to enable repeat or all-day toggles if needed. Additionally, you can add notes about the appointment, such as special instructions or client preferences. This section is optional but can be useful for personalized service. Once all the details are finalized, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, you'll have the option to send notifications to the client. You can choose to send both email and text notifications, just email, just text, or disable notifications entirely. Once confirmed, the appointment will appear on your calendar. Clicking on it will show a preview on the right side of the screen where you can make edits or update details if needed. Now let's explore creating services separately, which is useful if you want to have multiple options for clients to choose from. Go back to the Overview section and click on Create Your Services. A pop-up will appear with two options. You can either let Square guide you through creating a service or set it up manually. Selecting Manual gives you full control over the service setup. Click Next to proceed. Enter the service name, for example, hair color treatment, and optionally add a description. Square also offers AI-generated descriptions, which can save time. Next, set the pricing for the service. You can choose a fixed price or a variable price based on duration. Then define the duration of the service. Once this is done, move to the More Options section at the top. This opens the service library where you'll find advanced options like enabling online booking, adding resources, creating variations, and setting modifiers. You can customize these features as needed or simply close the window if you don't require them. Finally, click Save to create the service, which will now be available for appointments. With your availability, services, and clients set up, creating appointments becomes a smooth and efficient process. Beyond scheduling, Square Appointments also offers sections like payments and invoices, online booking, customers, and reports. The reports section is particularly useful because it provides insights into your business performance, including transaction history, appointment trends, and customer activity. One of the standout features of Square Appointments is the ability to accept payments directly through the platform. You can set up online payments, accept in-person payments using Square hardware, generate invoices and manage payroll, all without relying on third-party tools. For example, if you click the Take Payment button at the bottom left corner, you'll see options like Charge Card, Send Invoice, or Send Payment. Each option is designed to help you efficiently collect payments from your clients, whether they book online or in person. Overall, Square Appointments is more than just a scheduling tool. It's a comprehensive business management system. By combining appointment scheduling, service creation, client management, payment processing, and reporting, it gives small business owners the tools they need to run their operations efficiently. Whether you're managing one location or multiple locations, handling in-person or online appointments, this platform has the flexibility to meet your needs. And that's it. You now know how to set up Square Appointments, create services, schedule appointments, manage your team, and accept payments, all from one intuitive platform.